Okay, everyone, it's Maria here. So just a quick one for you today. We've been having super hot temperatures here in Toronto, and I just wanted to jump on quickly and give you my quickest, easiest tip to hydrate the skin. Of course, it goes without saying that you should be drinking water, eating lots of fruit like cantaloupe, watermelon, etc. Sip on nice hydrating things. But the quickest way that you can do for your skin, whether you have makeup or not, is ta-da, to mist your skin. If you've been here for a while, you have seen me do this on makeup applications and all my skincare regimens. And that's because I truly believe that after your skincare and makeup is on, if you're still feeling hot, you're not going to go back in with a serum. You're not going to go in with more moisturizer. You can go in with more sunscreen, that's for sure. But the quickest way is to do one of these. And just tap it into the skin. Okay, now there are so many different floral waters out there. We call them floral waters, toning mists, mineral mists, okay, as in the case of Gradance. It doesn't matter which one you choose. I did a post on my Instagram channel today. If you're not following and you are on Instagram, please go and find me on there under Green Beauty Curator. But I gave some of the benefits of each of these on my post, and I'm going to put the same in the description below. So what I think is that, with these mists here, they give such a beautiful, hydration to the skin, but also they have to appeal to your senses. So, for example, Cocoon Apothecary has the orange blossom. This is a citrus and floral blend, which, if you are that type of person who loves, oranges, citrus, and floral, that's amazing. However, a mist like this is also, better for oilier skin types. So it's for all skin types, but better for oily. If you go for something like Helena Lane's, which has the rose and frankincense, again, for all skin types, but best for mature, dry. So grab one of these or a couple of these if you don't have one in your regimen right now. Really, they can go on anytime. You can mist before your serum. You can mist after your serum. You can mist before your moisturizer. You can mist after your moisturizer. And you can also mist after your makeup, okay? Just the quickest little spritz can really energize you and bring that hydration to your skin and also cool you down. I keep them in the fridge in the summer. That's why they're on that little tray. And then that way you can give a nice cooling mist to your skin. If you are in your mid, 40s, late 40s, 50s and beyond, or if you have started on the perimenopause journey, you'll understand also that having anything that will cool you down is amazing. So it has to be quick, has to be easy for you to do. All right. So thank you so much for being here. I'll catch you in the next one.